Welcome students. Today we are continuing again practice set 14, question number 4, 5 and 6 in this video. Hope you must have practiced till question number 1, 2 and 3. Now today see, let's start with question number 4 of practice set 14. Find the smallest number which when divided by these all numbers gives a remainder of 5 every time. Smallest number, LCM. So smallest means least. So here we'll find out what these numbers, will find out first LCM. So children, let us find LCM of all these numbers together. So 8, 9, 10, 15 and 20. So let's find out first LCM. So here it will get divided by 2. 2 4s are 8. Here 9 it will not go. 2 5s are 10. 15 it will not go by 2. 2 10s is 20. So let us again think of the table in which all these numbers will go. I think by 5 it will go. So let's take by 5. 4 it will not go by 5. 9 it will not go. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. Now again let's think of the table in which they will go. 3 is table. So 3 and 9 it will go. So let's start by 3. 4 it will not go. 3 3s are 9. 1 as it is. 3 1s are 3. 2 it will not go. So 2 as it is. Now 4 and 2 will go by 2. So let's start by 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 is table. 2 will not go. So 3 as it is. 1 as it is. 1 as it is. 2 1s is 2. So let's stop now. 2 and 3 will not go in the common table. So our LCM will be 2 into 5 into 3 into 2 into this all. So 2 into 5 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into all this 1. If you don't write, that also will do. So let's multiply. 2 5s are 10. 10 3s is 30. 32 is 60. 62 is 120. 120 into 3. 3 zeros are 0. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. So LCM we got it as 360. Now we have to find out that smallest number which when get divided by that number we will get the remainder as 5. So that smallest number will be, children, is this LCM which we got 360 plus we have to add 5. So 360 plus 5 will give you 365. So that smallest number is 365. Children, if you divide this 365 by any of these numbers 8, 9, 10, 15 or 20, you will get remainder as 5. I can show you one number. So 365 if you divide by 8. 8 nearest number 8 4s are 32. So 36 minus 32 will give you 4. Here will 5. 8 5s is 40. So 45 minus 40 will give you 5. So we got it as remainder as 5. So if you divide by 9 also by 365 will get remainder as 5. If you divide by 10 also by 365 will get remainder as 5. If you divide by 15 also will get 5. If you divide 365 by 20 also will get the remainder as 5. So that number is what? 365. So let's move to the next sum. Next sum is question number 5. Reduce the fractions. These are some fractions given. We have to reduce them to its lowest term. So this is your first one, 348 and 319. We are already done this. So let's find out. 348. 340. Divided by 319. So 319, nearest number for 348 will be 319 ones are 319 only. So 348 minus 319 will do here 18, here 3. 18 minus 9 will 9. 3 minus 1 will give you 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. Now here again you have to take this divisor 319. If you divide 319 by 29, 29 ones is 29. 31 minus 29 will give you 11 minus 9 is 2. Here 2 minus 2 is 0. Take this 9 down. 29 ones are 29. so you got it as 11. Here remainder we got it as 0. So this one is our last divisor, is our HCF. So here HCF they didn't ask, but we know that the last divisor will be your 29. So that is your HCF, and which we got it at HCF, we divide by that fraction with 29 to reduce it to its lowest term. So our question was 348 upon 319. So this fraction will divide by that HCF to reduce it. So 348 will divide by 29 and 319 also will divide by 29. Let's divide 348 by 29. 29 ones are 29. 34 minus 29, 14. 14 minus 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 5, 0. Take this 8 down. 29 2s is 58. So we got it as 12. Now 319 if you divide by 29. 29 ones is 29. 31 minus 29 will give you 2. Take this 9 down. 29 ones are 29. If you divide, you get it as 11. So 12 upon 11 is your lowest fraction of this fraction. 348 divided by 319. First divide it. After dividing, this last divisor is your HCF. That HCF you have to divide by that numerator also and denominator to get its lowest fraction. So 12 upon 11 is our lowest fraction. Similarly, we find out the remaining two. The second one is 221 divided by 247. So let's divide 247 2 to 1. So the nearest will be 1 only for 247. 2 to 1 stable. 2 to 1 is 2 to 1. If you minus it, you will get 7 minus 1 is 6. 4 minus 1 is 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. For again you have to take this divisor 2 to 1. If you divide 2 to 1 by 26, the nearest will be 26. 8 is 8, 6 is 48, 8 2 is 16, 16 is 20. 208, 26 9s are, if you see 6 9s are 54, 9 2s are 18, 18 and 5 19 23. 234 will be more, so 26 8s is the nearest. So 208. If you divide minus subtract 208 from 221, you get it 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. Here 1 0. Again you have to take second divisor now. 26. 13 stable 26 comes. 13 2s is 26. So we got the remainder 0. So the last divisor is your HCF. So HCF is 13. Now we have to reduce that. So we'll reduce this fraction by dividing 13. So 221 upon 247. So we'll divide this both by 13. So 221 divide by 13. 13 ones is 13 only. 13 twos are 26 will be more. If you subtract 30, 22 minus 13. 12 minus 3 is 9. Take this one down. 13 sevens is 91. So we got it as 17. Similarly, if you divide 247 by 13. 13 ones is 13. 4 minus 3 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Take this 7 down. 13 9s is 117. So if you divide, you got it as 19. So 17 upon 19 is your reduced fraction. One more sum is there. $437 divided by 551. So let's again divide it. If we divide 551 by 437, the nearest number will be 437 ones only. So let's subtract it. 11 minus 7 will give you 4. Here 4 minus 3 will give you 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. Second divisor will be this only, 437. The nearest number for this in 114 table is 114 3s are. 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 and 1 4, 3 1s are 3, 342. So this will be the nearest. So 437 minus 342, if you do 7 minus 2 is 5. Here 13 minus 4 is 9. Here 3 minus 3 is 0. Now 114, second divisor. In 95 table, the nearest will be 95, ones are 95 only. Subtract 95 from 114. 14 minus 5 is 9. Here 10 minus 9 is 1. Here 0 only. The next divisor will be 95. 19 table 95 comes. 19 5s are 95. We got the remainder 0. So HCF will be the last divisor. The last divisor is 19. So we got HCF as 19. I have to reduce this term. So we'll take this take this fraction divide by 19. 437 if we divide by 19. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos is 38. So 19 twos are 38. 13 minus 8 is 5. 0. Take this 7 down. 19 threes is 57. So we got it as 23. Similarly, we have to divide 551 by 19. 19 table, 19 threes are 57 will be more. 19 twos are 38 only we can take. 15 minus 8 is 7. Here 4 minus 3 is 1. Take this 1 down. In 19 table, 19 nines is 171. So we got it as 29. So the reduced form is 23 upon 29. So we have completed here question number 5 also. I reduce the fraction, all the three sums. Now question number 6. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 432 and 72 respectively. If one of the numbers is 216, what is the other number? Children, see, LCM is given. How much LCM is given? 432. HCF is given 72. One number is given 216 and other number we have to find out. So one number is 216, other number question mark. So for finding out this, there is one formula. Just by heart that HCF into LCM is product of HCF and LCM is equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. So HCF is how much? 72. LCM is how much? 432. Product of two numbers means one and these two numbers, other number. So out of that one number we know 216, other number we don't know, so we'll write that other number as it is only. So we have to find out this other number. We'll take it, keep it at left. So this will be 72 into 432. This multiply 216 will come down, it will become divide. So let's find out the other number. This 2 will get divided by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 8s are 16. Now this 36 will again 108 will again get divided by 2. 2 18s are 36, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. 18 3s are 54. Now 432 if you divide by 3. 3 1s are 3, 4 minus 3 is 1. Take this 3 down. 3 4s are 12. 13 minus 12 is 1. Take this 2 down. 3 4s are 12. So we got it as 432. If we divide by 2, we got it as 144. So the other number is 144. So remember this formula. By heart this formula. If HCF and LCM is given and product of two numbers, out of that one number is given, other number we have to find out in this way by using this formula. So we have completed 4, 5, 6 of practice set 14 question number. In the remaining part we will see 7, 8 and 9. Till then practice it till here. Goodbye.